Hi guys, Laycon here, and today I'm getting a tattoo and I would like you guys to experience it with me. So let's go. The thing about tattoos for me is I don't get them very often. If I do if I'm going to get them, they need to like be meaningful. Like for instance, this one. This is my mom's name, Olajumoke. It's two tattoos I really want to get. They have to be meaningful and they have to mean something sensitive. Oh, tattoo guys here. I'm a lot more unleash. Won't call me JB Chinese. Cheat. There's so many things, so many opportunities. Thought my law legit. It's a mask tattoo guy.
You know what the vibe is.
Yo, what up, my people? It's your nigga, the dopest tattoo artist in Lagos, Laycon, Nigeria, Dope21, and I'm maxed out now, and I wanna do some freaky ass tattoos for my nigga, Laycon.
The next day with the chest paper, way fast. Monday, Tuesday come, Wednesday, your Thursday, and Friday.
Balance. I feel like in life, both the rationalists and the empiricists, they are making sense.
Yep.
But you can't be at all the extremes because life will humble you to experience the other thing that you believe doesn't make sense. Pain is a feeling. You only feel it. You cannot comprehend it. As much as it can be better, it can be worse. Anything where you feel, say, if they pain you, person they go through something where they painful past that one. There's always the balance of understanding that it can be better and it can be worse. But I'm right here in the middle. That's where balance is. This next tattoo is about the body, soul, and the spirit, and how you make sure that it's the balance that makes you complete. When you can be happy and you can be sad, but at every point in your life you experience this or that, and then you have to always find the balance and understand that it can be better and it can be worse.
No capo.
Wednesday, your Thursday, and Friday.
This tattoo is body, soul, and spirit, and the body is incomplete without the spirit.
Yes.
The spirit is incomplete without the body. Both of them are incomplete without each other. It's the soul that complements them. And the soul is the only place that is connected to the mind.